Stop extracting action items after the meeting ends. Emit them live while people are still talking. Azure AI Speech continuous recognition streams finalized utterances every few seconds. You pipe each one to a language model and emit tasks instantly. This is for engineers building real-time meeting copilots. The payoff: tasks appear within seconds of being spoken, not minutes. 3 decisions make or break this build. First, batch transcription versus continuous streaming recognition. Second, how to wire the pipeline without blocking the audio thread. Third, when exactly to trigger extraction. That third one hides a gotcha that will double your token bill. I'll show why triggering on the wrong event wrecks accuracy and cost. Batch transcription is simpler and cheaper per hour, but it needs the full recording first. That kills any live experience. Continuous recognition opens a WebSocket and streams results as speech happens. You pay for a persistent connection and handle events yourself. For a live tracker, continuous wins. Use batch only for after-the-fact archives and summaries. Audio flows from the client into the speech service over a WebSocket. The speech SDK raises a recognized event per finalized utterance. Each utterance lands on a queue, not the audio thread. A worker calls Azure OpenAI to pull structured tasks. Emitted tasks stream back to the client and persist in Cosmos DB. Keep extraction off the recognition callback. Here is the core. Connect a handler to the recognized event. Fire it only on final results, then enqueue the text. Start continuous recognition and let it run non-blocking. Never call your model inside this callback. Blocking here stalls the audio stream and drops segments. Here is the mistake that bites everyone. The SDK also raises a recognizing event for partial hypotheses. Extract on those and you reprocess the same sentence many times. Tokens and cost explode, and half-formed text gives false tasks. Trigger only on recognized, the finalized result. Then batch 2 or 3 utterances before calling the model. That cuts calls sharply while keeping latency low. You control the trade-off with your batching window. Extract per utterance for lowest latency and highest cost. Buffer over a short window to cut model calls. A rolling 5 to 10 second buffer is a sane default. Add speaker diarization only if tasks need an owner. Diarization adds latency, so enable it deliberately. Pick continuous recognition for anything live. Decouple extraction from the audio thread with a queue. Trigger only on final results and buffer a few seconds. That combination keeps tasks accurate, fast, and affordable. Speech pricing and SDK events change, so check the current Azure docs. Clone the pipeline diagram and wire your own tracker this week. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.